Hey everybody, we are in the neighborhood called Buckshire.
Buckshire.
It's Charleston County,
Yeah.
but it's super close to Summerville.
Yeah.
We got a shopping center within 5-7 minutes. Or
I
so.
gotta be honest, I thought I was in Summerville.
You did?
Yeah, you told me, I put it in Waze and I came here and I'm like, I thought I was in Summerville.
It is Summerville.
It's
a Summerville address.
And the fun part of putting it in Waze was the address.
Yes.
3333. 3333, 4 3s, easy to remember. And that's what I look for in a house. I want an address I can remember where I go to get home.
So if you're looking for a house that's easy to remember the address,
Just buy it off that
this
right
is
there.
it.
Yeah.
3333 Middlesboro Avenue in Buckshire.
Yep.
5 bedrooms.
5 bedrooms. And wait until you see this primary bedroom. It just keeps going. Like, here's my suggestion. If you come toward this house, start leaving breadcrumbs when you go out of the loft. There's a loft up the top of the steps. Because I want you to be able to find your way back out.
And it's cool because you go through the little sitting room,
Yeah.
which is being used as an office right now.
Yep.
At the front, and then you have this huge, ginormous bedroom.
Ginormous. That's a realtor word.
Ginormous.
There's a pool in this neighborhood. There's some playgrounds close. Great location. I love this house.
Let's go tour it. You'll love the brand new floors.
Oh yeah, look at the floors. They're really awesome. Seriously, check these out.
Let us know if you have any questions.
Hey, so I hope you love this house as much as we do. Floor is amazing, big house, lots of bedrooms. That master bedroom is unbelievable.
It's gorgeous. Some of the things we didn't talk about, the screen-in porch.
Yep.
It's got a 2-car garage, and it's right towards not on a corner, but right towards the end of the street at the beginning of the neighborhood. So it's really nice there. It's got a pool in the neighborhood that you already mentioned.
Yep.
If you're interested in this home or any others, give us a call, 843-732-9977, or on our website,
CharlestonAreaLiving.com. See ya.